How to pay using gift card in Grubhub. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can directly move into your Grubhub application. Enter your login credentials and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner and then move into account. At the left side of the screen, the option of gift card will be visible to you. Click on it and then simply click on redeem a gift card. It will land you on the interface where you will be able to redeem the gift card. You simply have to enter the number of the gift card or the code that is given in the gift card. Once you have entered the number, you simply have to click on redeem and then your gift card will be redeemed successfully. Now at the time of checkout, you will be able to choose gift card as the payment method. So with the help of gift card, you will be able to pay to the order that you have made and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to pay using gift card in Grubhub. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.